Lesson 8.8, Operations with Rational Expressions. In this example, we're looking to add two fractions together. Well, let's look at an example we might be familiar with. A long time ago, we learned how to add 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 together. We would have to multiply 1 over 4 by 2 over 2. Find that equals 2 over 8 plus 1 over 8. And then since we had the common denominator, we could add our two terms together to get 3/8. Well, another way to look at 1 over 4 is 1 over 2 times 2. And another way to look at 1 over 8 is 1 over 2 times 2 times 2. So as we see here, we're just multiplying 1 over 4, or 1 over 2 times 2, by 1 in the form of 2 over 2. So we'll have the same number of factors and the same factors in both denominators. We will treat x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 times x plus 1 plus x divided by x plus 1 times x minus 1 the exact same way. So if I look in my denominators, I see I have a factor of x minus 2, I have a factor of x plus 1, and I have a factor of x minus 1. I need to get all three of these factors under both fractions. So I've already have x plus 1 in the denominator of both fractions. I would have to multiply x over x plus 1 times x minus 1 by 1 in the form of x minus 2 over x minus 2. And I would also have to multiply x minus 1 over x minus 2 times x plus 1 by 1 in the form of x minus 1 over x minus 1. After I've done this, I need to multiply those fractions together before I can add the two fractions together. So let's start by foiling x minus 1 times x minus 1. That'll give me x squared minus 2x plus 1 all over x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x plus 1 plus x times x is x squared, x times negative 2 is minus 2x, all over that x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 times x plus 1. Now that our two fractions here have the same denominator, we can add the numerators together. X squared minus 2x plus 1 plus x squared minus 2x. All of this is over our common denominator of x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1. This equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 1 all over x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x plus 1. And this is our final answer in this example. Now let's look at the example of x plus 2 divided by x minus 3 times x plus 4 minus 5 over x plus 1. First of all, I need to get all my components together, and I need to find a common denominator. In this case, the common denominator is going to be x minus 3 times x plus 4 times x plus 1. So I'll need to multiply this by x plus 1 over x plus 1. Now, I'll need to multiply negative 5 over x plus 1 by x minus 3 over x minus 3. and x plus 4 over x plus 4. Let us FOIL the first fraction. So x plus 1 times x plus 2, x squared plus 3x plus 2, all over x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 4. Now from this, I'll be subtracting away 5. I'm going to multiply it by the FOILed form of x minus 3 times x plus 4. Which will give me x squared plus x minus 12. And all of this is over x minus 3 times x plus 4 times x plus 1. Now if I were to distribute this negative 5 through x squared plus x minus 12, I would find negative 5x squared minus 5x plus 60. Since these are both over common denominators, I can now add the numerators together. X squared minus 5x squared is negative 4x squared. 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. 2 plus 60 is plus 62, all of which will be divided by the common denominator of x plus 1 times x minus 3 times x plus 4. And this is my final answer for this example. Now we've added these fractions together, let's begin to multiply them. We can think of this as x plus 2 over x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 3 over x minus 1. And now I'm going to take over x squared minus 4. But that's not factored all the way, so I'll factor that into its parts of x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now since it's division, I know something divided by itself just equals 1, so we can cross out like factors. X plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is 1, and x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is 1. So my final answer for this example would be x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. And that is our final answer. Now, this looks quite mean if I were to look at it exactly for what it is, but it's actually quite easy because I can turn this into a multiplication question fairly quickly. What I have to do is I have to look at my numerator. I'll rewrite my numerator as x squared minus 1 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6. And now I will be multiplying that by the reciprocal of my denominator. Now the reciprocal of my denominator simply switches the top and bottom of that function. So this equals x plus 3 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2. From here now, all I have to do is multiply. But it would most likely be easier if I were to write everything in factored form. X squared minus 1 would give me the factors x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. This is being divided by x plus 3 times x plus 2. X plus 3 is already in factored form, and that is divided by x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Now, since this is multiplication, I know x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is just like multiplying by 1. X minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is also 1. So my final answer is x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2.